Good morning, student. In last lecture, we start the problem number 6 of company final account, and we finish near about all trial balance, and it transferred to profit and loss account and balance sheet. So rest part we discuss in this lecture. Okay. So we transfer the debit side of trial balance. Similarly, we also transferred credit side of trial balance into the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Only we need to discuss on share capital. So here the authorized share capital of rupees 5 lakhs, but our issued, subscribe and paid up capital of rupees 2,45,000. Okay, so here the total number of authorized share capitals, authorized shares are 50,000, but out of 50,000 only 24,500 shares are issued by the company, and same shares are also paid up. Okay, so share capital, it should be transferred to notes number 1. See here, authorized capital 5 lakhs, issued capital to 24,500 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 2,45,000. Similarly, paid up capital 24,500 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 2,45,000. So this is the uh, way to record the share capital into the notes number 1, that is share capital. So now times to record the remaining adjustment, because maximum adjustment we already recorded. Number 1, closing stock, it's already taken into consideration. Then depreciation also transferred while recording the plant and machinery and furniture. Then outstanding liabilities, we already finished it at the time of recording the amount of wages, salary and rent. Okay, then rest of 2 adjustments are remaining now. Dividend for the year, that means proposed a dividend, it is calculated on the paid up capital, but it is appropriation made from the current year profit, or the balance of profit and loss account. And second is provision for taxation, it is also made available from the current year profit. That's why without calculating the profit figure of the uh, business organization, it is not uh, possible to record these 2 adjustment. That's why before recording this 2 adjustment, we need to close the profit and loss account. Okay, and that's why we close the all notes related to the profit and loss account. Notes number 15, revenue from operation, what is total? For 4 lakh 25,000, 4,25,000. Other income 3,150, 150. Then purchases of stock in trade 3 lakhs. Then employee benefit expenses. Yes, send me answer in chat box. Total of employee benefit expenses 75,200 plus 19,700 plus 10,500. What is total? Okay, 1 lakh 5,400. Okay, there is no any finance cost, so it is nil. Then depreciation and amortization 12,075 plus 1,750. Yes, what is total? 13,785. Very good. And last one is other expenses. 34,190. Student, should you observe that near about 25% items of trial balance are related to other expenses. It is a very good thing while solve the problem of final account. You similar thing also observe in problem number 5, and same thing also seen in the problem number 6. Okay, so focus carefully on this note other expenses, because large number of items are related to other expenses. Okay, now times to transfer this total into the profit and loss account, revenue from operation. Then other expenses 3150. Sorry, here. Then cost of material is dash. Then purchases of stock in trade. Relax. Then employee benefit expenses. Change in inventory minus 41,500. Okay, it is taken from the working note of change in inventories. Then employee benefit expenses 1,05,400. Then finance cost. Finance cost is nil, I think. Then depreciation and amortization. See, depreciation, sorry, finance cost is nil. Then depreciation and amortization. Last one, other expenses. 34,190. Okay. Now totaling the total A and total B, total revenue 4,25,300, 4,25,000 and 3,150. That means 4,28,150 is the total of total revenue, right? Okay, and totaling of total B 3 lakhs. See here, 3 lakh plus 1,05,400 plus 13,785 plus 34,190, and this minus figure should be deduct from the rest total 3 lakhs plus 1,05,400 plus 13,785 plus 34,190 minus 41,500. This amount is deduct from the rest total. Don't add it in the these figures. Okay. Very good. 4,11,875. Okay. Now this is the total first. This is the total second. So profit before exceptional and item and extraordinary item. Okay. C, total revenue minus total expenses, total A minus total B. Yes. Okay, 16,275. Now external atom not given in the problem. That's why it is nil. So this is the profit before tax. Profit before tax 16,275. 275. Okay. Now, okay. Now let's tax expenses. Okay. This is the D. A, B, C, D. Profit before tax. Now let's tax expenses and adjustment given in this regard. See the adjustment. Provision for taxation at 50%. Okay. 50% means it is the 50% of profit before tax. Okay. Profit before tax. If your profit amount is 10,000, that means 50% means 5,000. 5,000 is the provision for taxation, and rest amount is considered as profit after tax. That means 5,000. Here in this problem, our amount of profit figure is 16,275. So 50% of C, 50% of 16,275. Okay, this is the calculation. Yes. What is the amount of 50% of? Okay, very good. 8,173. And 16,275 minus 8,137. So 0.5, 0.5. Okay, 0.5. And same amount 8,137.5. Very good. Okay, this is the profit for the period. Profit for the period, not loss. Profit for the period. So now this is the first effect of provision for taxation, 8,337.5. And second effect, it's become a provision. That's why we have separate notes in this regard. Notes number last. That means notes number 14. Sorry. It is one type of liabilities. Last note of liabilities, short 7 number, short term provision. See here, provision for taxation. Okay. Now this is the provision for taxation, short term provision. First effect is it is deducted from the profit from the profit and loss account, and second effect is transferred to notes number 7. That is short term provision under the current liabilities. Okay. And second adjustment, dividend for the year ended 31st March 2020 at 5% is to be provided. So the rate of dividend is 5%, and it is always calculated on the paid up capital. So our paid up capital is rupees 2,45,000. 2,45,000 multiplied by 5% is the amount of proposed dividend, and it should be deducted from the profit and loss account. So before calculating this, we need to transfer this profit, this raised profit. Okay, it is transferred to C, reserve and surplus, notes number 2. Okay, to reserve and surplus. So take from here and transfer to notes number 2, reserve and surplus. See here, opening balance of profit and loss account, 1st April 2019. This balance we take from the trial balance. It is given in the trial balance. This is the opening balance of profit and loss account. See once again here, profit and loss account 6,220. Now we calculate the we calculate the profit. Okay, profit here 8137.5. This current year profit also add in the opening balance. Okay, now so total profit is okay 6220 plus 8137. Yes, what is total? Total profit 14,357.5 or 57. Yes, 37 57.5. Is it right? Okay, now this is the total profit. Now times to appropriation. There is one appropriation here. Dividend for the year ended 31st March 2020 at 5% is to be provided. So we need to calculate 5% dividend on paid up capital. The amount of paid up capital is rupees 2,45,000. So this is the calculation paid dividend. Okay, dividend paid or proposed dividend. 2,45,000. 2,45,000 multiple by 5%. Okay, what is 2,45,000? Paid up capital. Okay, paid up capital 2,45,000. So 2,45,000 multiple by 5% is the calculation of dividend paid. Okay, 2,45,000 multiple by okay 12,250. 12,250. Okay. Hey, sorry. What is total of 6,220 plus 8,137? Sorry, I take wrong total here. 12,000 to sorry 14,000. Sorry. This is the total. Okay, total profit. Now 2,45,000 multiple by 5%. Uh, answer is 12,250. Okay, 12,250. So dividend paid. This is the first adjustment, first effect of proposed dividend 12,250, and it also transferred to proposed dividend under the notes number 7, short term provision. Short term provision. See here, dividend paid. Actually, write it as a provision for taxation, not the dividend paid. Okay, provision for taxation. It is not paid still. That's why it is provision. Provision for proposed dividend. Sorry, proposed dividend, not provision. Proposed dividend. Here also proposed dividend. Okay, write as a proposed dividend. Proposed dividend. Okay. Okay. Now it is right. So this is second effect, proposed dividend. Now 14,375 57.5 minus 12,250 rest amount right in the outer box, outer column. Yes. What is figure? Yes. No, 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 no. Only 14,357.5 minus 12,250. How it is? It is not total. It's minus from total profit. Very good. Now, times to close all notes related to balance sheet. So total number notes number one total is 2,45,000. It's transferred to balance sheet. Okay. Then notes number two, reserve and surplus. Yes, 25,000 plus. Yes, what is total? 27,107.5. Okay, this is the total of notes number two. Yes, then money received against share on is nil. Then long-term borrowing. Long-term borrowing. Notes number. Sorry. See here. Long-term borrowing. 15,700. Notes number four is nil. Then trade payable. 35,200. Then other current liabilities. 5,000. Yes. 5,200 plus 1,200 plus 600. Okay, 7,000. And short-term provision. Notes number seven. Sorry, short-term provision. 20,387.5. No. Okay. Okay. Right. Now times to record the asset side. Notes number eight, tangible asset. Sorry. Yes. What is total of tangible asset? 68,425 plus 15,390. Okay, send me fast. We have very few minutes remaining now. 85,000. Then intangible asset, I think it is nil. Tangible asset nil. Then other non-current asset also nil. Non-current investment also nil. So inventories is 91,500. Okay. Asset also nil. Current investment also nil, and inventory is 91,500. Then trade receivable 38,700. Cash and cash equivalent 1,34,700. Prepaid insurance were recorded under the short-term provision. And other current liability asset are also nil. So just doing the total of total first and total second. Yes, do fast. 3,50,395. There is any point? No. Okay. Zero point 0.5 and 0.5 become 1. And liability side, is it match with asset? Sorry, liabilities asset side is also match with the liability side or not? Yes. Omkar? Yes, it is match. Okay, no issue. Finally, we do it. So, anyone have any doubts? So, I stop here my lecture. If anyone have any doubt, please ask me.